Listen. There's an unspeakable beauty to the weather, yet it defies us. Weather embodies life-threatening chaos. Humans have tried to bring order to this chaos since the beginning. Telling stories was our first attempt of making sense of nature's power. Gods, world-ending floods, monsters. Then science transformed the mysterious into the understood. Curious thinkers organized weather data and observations. Clouds became cumulus, stratus, and cirrus. Temperature, wind, and pressure were coded on synoptic maps. But despite all of our measurements and names for clouds, winds, and storms, the weather still surprised us. To protect the vulnerable, scientists took a bold step and dared to predict the future. Throughout the 20th century, extraordinary machines harvest weather data.
Liftoff of Noah's GOES T, our newest weather sentinel in the sky.
Satellites were launched, radars installed, and we saw our planet from above. Computers tracked and forecasted remarkably fast. Today, weather forecasts are everywhere, in our pockets, websites, and integrated into software. But forecasts can be better. Now, imagine a perfect, reliable forecast each time, allowing you to know the exact moment a raindrop will fall, the fog will lift, or the wind will blow.
Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Just because something seems impossible doesn't mean it is. From the heart of Switzerland, fueled by a passion for precision, a company is embracing the challenge with the vision of finally mastering chaos. Beginning with advanced drones that uncover the secrets of the lower atmosphere, to form a global network gathering unmatched data, supercomputers, deep weather understanding, and extensive atmospheric observations shaped models with pinpoint accuracy, channeling decision-making power through a single central pipeline. We're creating a future where real-time global data integrates into advanced weather models, helping everyone prepare, protect, and plan. The future we're building is a testament to humanity's journey from awe-inspired observers to masterful interpreters, blending nature's magic with our ingenuity. Meteomatics. Make your business predictable.